Yankee bitch that you are, I told you to be careful how you try my patience.
Django's cut-price corpses. For love, Django kills. For revenge, Django orders 4 coffins.
Come on, father, out.
The ways of God are inscrutable. Fiat voluntas Dei. Ambushes, chases, holdups threaten Django's every movement. But Django goes straight to his mark in spite of danger. Django's cut-price corpses.
Out of my way, small fry.
Why did you leave me, Pedro Mio? Stop!
Django's cut-price corpses. An action picture which exalts the psychology of a man. Django.
If you haven't cheated me, the man's yours. But if you cheated me, you're going to die.
Who's the stranger looking for a carpenter?
Can you make coffins?
Well, everybody knows it's a good way to make money around here.
Make me up 4 coffins and pronto. Claro.
How big do you want them, and when should they be ready, senor?
With Jeff Cameron, John Desmont, Esmeralda Barros, Edilio Kim, Jenger Gatti, Dominique Badu. A thrilling tale of the borderland between the United States and Old Mexico in the mid-19th century, when the struggle between the Emperor Maximilian and the revolutionary Diaz created a tense, burning atmosphere. Django's Cut-Price Corpses is a film that will keep you breathless from beginning to end. Django's Cut-Price Corpses, directed by Paolo Solvay, coming shortly to this screen.